When God say, wetin dey sweet you for your heart na make people dey saved and make dem come to the kingdom of God, then He go give you those things wey people dey struggle to get. Correct person there. I welcome you to this ogbonge channel, Favours Blog, where they give you better things, where they build you up both physically and spiritually. Here we dey make sure say everybody dey grow together for this life. They say na hand wash and na hand till they clean. Either the matter they be. This is the first time when you dey join us, or you don't join us before, but you never do the needful. What will be the needful? Hit the subscribe button. Touch that will be like bell for notification bell. So anytime we drop video, because one of the first persons to know say better don't share on top Favours Blog. As the matter dey hot, we will dive right into wetin we bring up for you today. No go anywhere, we dey come back. This na Open Heavens Daily Devotional for Friday, wey be the 30th of June 2023. Today na the last day of the first half of this year. Our topic for today na God's blank cheque. Our Bible reading dey come from the book of John chapter 15 verse 16, where it say, "You not choose me, but na me choose you. Na me ordain you so that you go bring fruit, and your fruit go stay, so that anything wey you ask my Papa for my name, He go give you." Our memory verse na from Daniel chapter 12 verse 3, where it say, "Those wey wise, they go shine like the brightness of the heavens. And those wey dey lead many people to righteousness, they go shine like stars forever and ever." Make we enter our message for today. If you ask anything in my name, I go do am. John chapter 14 verse 14. Na Jesus Christ na talk this one. In other words, wetin dey tell you be say, I go give you blank cheque. So today, we wan discuss how we go fit take get this blank cheque. God dey give blank cheques to those people wey be like say their heart dey after a kingdom here on earth. Let me can talk for inside our Bible reading, John chapter 15 verse 16 say, "No be you choose me, but na me choose you, and na me ordain you, so that you go bring fruit, and that your fruit go stay, so that anything wey you ask my Father in my name, He go give you." For this passage, John 15 verse 16, what we just read so, He say when you dey win souls and you dey follow them up until they go come strong for inside God, then anything wey you ask God for, He go give you. When you dey seek God's kingdom first before any other thing, then He go give you everything wey you go ever need. Matthew chapter 6 verse 33 show us this one. And then when they talk and say God, a person sabi write script. In fact, He don write the script of everything wey dey happen for earth right now. For inside 1 Kings chapter 3 from verse 5 to 14, when God gives Solomon blank cheque, He already know the end from the beginning. He know say the boy go ask for wisdom to rule the people. So when He do am, God go add riches, peace, and everything else wey any man go fit ever want. When God see and say you get heart wey dey interested for the way souls go take dey saved and the kingdom go take dey established here on earth, you go get everything wey people dey struggle for from am. So make you seek God's kingdom diligently. Seek to ensure say He will dey done here on earth as He dey for heaven. You go see how He go take dey embarrass you with plenty blessings. So now you go call the talk say, God abeg, you don't do it too much. Give to the work of God. Go out on evangelism. At least they go regularly. Follow up on those new converts so that they go stay and they'll come become the flock of Christ. May God see your dedication to His work, and He will surely reward you with blank cheque. Our reflection point for today now. When be the last time when you win soul for God? When be the last time when you evangelize? Not only to work, if you use your social media handle, anything, any available means, text message, calls. When be the last time when you win soul for God? May you do that one today. This Open Heavens Daily Devotional, na Pastor E.A. Adeboye, wey be the General Overseer of the Redeemed Christian Church of God, na him write am. God bless you. I welcome you back from that betalicious session. How you find that? Talk to you. It makes sense. Abi? It makes sense. All right, now I beg, hit the subscribe button so that you could be part of this family. Like this video, don't forget to like the video. Drop your comment and don't forget to follow us on all our social media platforms. If they show for your screen like this now, follow us for TikTok. If you want to join our WhatsApp group, make you drop message for the comment section. Message us your number. We go add you join our WhatsApp group. You know how the matter they be. So we'll come here where you go to another betalicious Ogbonge video. Don't forget this is Still Favors Vlog, and I'm me, your sister, your home girl, Lawo Favor. I dey run the show together with you, my esteemed subscribers.